Hi, this is a habit tracker app. Here, after clicking this button, I can add one pop-up form will be displayed over here where I can add a new habit. Here, entry form for a new habit is generated. I can give habit attributes, different habit attributes over here to generate a habit. If I will click this add habit button, then a new habit will be generated over here. In this way, I can add multiple habits in this display page. Like the second habit which I am generating over here is then duration. Or duration for this I can give 6. Then date of creation, I'll click this calendar. Then date of creation, then add habit. Now here on this display page, multiple habit can be included. If I want to remove any habit from this display page, then I can remove it from here. It will be removed from the database as well. Now if I want to know the weekly status of this habit, then I can go to this page. Here weekly progress status is shown. Here I have given 3 status: none, completed and pending for each weekday, and I can assign completed status. Then the total number of completion days is increased. If I am giving pending over here, then there is no improvement in this one. Then again completed, then again completed. If I'll go back and show the completed status of this task, then it will show me completed as 3/7. Now coming to the coding part, I have implemented full stack web development over here, in which in this index.js, this part of code is for search button, for search page. Then this renders the week page. After that this is delete habit code, where I am deleting the habit from the database. Then this code is for creating a habit. Now coming to the asset part, I have CSS file, one CSS and one JS. Now coming to the views, I have two view over here. One is home.ejs. This displays the home page, in which entry for each habit list has been done. Pop-up form will be, code for pop-up form is also written over here. Then the week.ejs is there, in which status of each week is mentioned over here with different value. Then I have in modals I have one habit.js, which include the structure of the habit with different attributes in the database. Thank you.